G means. Now see the problem. The problem they have given is the line passing through the extremity A of the major axis and the extremity B of minor axis of the ellipse x square plus 9y square is equal to 9 meets auxiliary circle at point M. Then the area of the triangle with vertices at A comma M and the origin O is. So ఇక్కడ ఏమడుగుతుందంటే suppose if you draw the diagram, suppose this is the coordinate axis and the ellipse he has given is x square plus 9y square is equal to 9 amma. What is the ellipse he has given? X square plus 9y square is equal to 9. If you convert it in standard form, what you get? X square by 9 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1 amma. So this is in the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That means it is in the standard form. So if you draw a diagram for this, it will be like this. This is the origin, this is A and this is BM. Now what is given? A is one extremity of the major axis. So this is the major axis. A is one end of the major axis given and B is one end of the minor axis given. So this will be minor axis and B is one end of the minor axis. And again what he has given? Meets auxiliary circle at point M. Auxiliary circle means what? If you take the length of major axis as a diameter and if you draw a circle, it is called an auxiliary circle. That means if you take an auxiliary circle for this ellipse, the auxiliary circle will be like this. Now if you join A comma B, suppose this is the point A and this is the point B. We are joining A comma B. If you join A comma B like this, the line A comma B is meeting auxiliary circle at point M he has given. The line joining A comma B meets auxiliary circle at M he has given. Then what is asking to find? Then the area of the triangle with vertices A, M and origin O. A means this, M means this, O means this. So now if you join OM, we are getting a triangle OAM. We have to find the area of the triangle OAM. To find this, first we have to find the coordinates A comma B. So here x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. The ellipse is in the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Where a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1 number. So the coordinates of a will be 3 comma 0 and the coordinates of b will be 0 comma 1. So we got the coordinates of a comma coordinates of b. Now we want the equation of AB. To find equation of AB, first you find the slope of AB. Slope of AB means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 0 minus 1 by 3 minus 0, that is minus 1 by 3. Now equation of AB. Equation of AB means what will get y minus y1. y1 means 1. Slope minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1, that is x minus 0. If you cross multiply, what will get? 3y minus 3 is equal to minus x. That is x plus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of AB. So to find the area of the triangle OAB, the area of triangle AB means what will write? Area of triangle AB, C means half into base into height. To find the area of the triangle formula, what we are having? Half into base into height. Here, if you observe this triangle will be isosceles triangle. This triangle will be isosceles triangle. Why? Because since it is an auxiliary circle, O is the center, A is point on the circle and M is also on the point of the circle. Since the coordinates of A, what you got? 3 comma 0. That means the length of OA is equal to 3. That means the radius of the circle is 3 units. OM is also the radius of the circle. Its units also will be 3 units. So we know the length of OA and length of OM are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. Now from O you draw one perpendicular to the line AB. Let it be G. Now OG is equal to, OG means what will get? Nothing but perpendicular. G is the perpendicular drawn from O to the line AB. So OG is nothing but the perpendicular distance from origin to the line AB. So perpendicular distance means what will write? Mod C by root of A square plus B square. The perpendicular distance from origin to the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 is mod C by root of A square plus B square. That is mod of minus 3 by 1 plus 9 we get. That is 3 by root 10. So OG is equal to what we got? 3 by root 10 we got. Now, since it is an isosceles triangle, G is a perpendicular distance. What we are having means MG, the length of MG will be equal to length of AG. Length of MG will be equal to length of AG. Now, if you take a triangle OGM, OGM will be right angle triangle. OGM will be right angle triangle. So, from that right angle triangle, what you can write? MG square plus OG square is equal to what we get? OM square. So, from that MG square is equal to what you can write? OM square minus OG square. The length of OM what you got? 3. So 3 square means 9. The length of OG what you got? 3 by root 10. So OG square means what you get? 9 by 10. So 9 minus 9 by 10. So if you take LCM, 10 into 9, 90. 90 minus 9 means 81 by 10. So mg square is equal to what you are getting? 81 by 10. So the length of mg will be root of 81 by 10. That is 9 by root 10. So here area of the triangle is what will write? Half into base into height will write. So here height means OG. Base means what will get? AM. So AM means G is midpoint of AM. So length of AM will be nothing but 2 into length of mg. mg length what you got? 9 by root 10. That is 2 into mg means 2 into 9, 18. 18 by root 10 will get. So area of triangle OAM means what will write? Half into base into height will write. That is half into base means AM. The length of AM will be base. So the length of AM what we got? 18 by root 10 into H. H means the value of OG. OG value what got? 3 by root 10. That is 18 into if you cancel 2 will go in 18 9 times. 9 into 3 27. Root 10 into root 10 means 10. That is area of triangle will be 27 by 10 square units. So the area of the triangle OAM will be 27 by 10 square units.